Imagine you're sitting on your couch, phone in hand, scrolling through social media. Suddenly, a notification pops up. Your Ooma phone is ringing. You pick up and hear a familiar voice. How does this technology work? How does a company like Ooma make money from providing these services? In this video, we're going to dive deep into Ooma's business model. We'll explore how they generate revenue, understand their target market, and analyze their competitive landscape. Ooma's core offerings. Ooma is primarily known for its VoIP voice over Internet Protocol services. But what exactly does that mean? VoIP explained. Think of VoIP as a digital version of traditional landline phones. Instead of using copper wires, VoIP calls travel over the Internet. This offers several advantages, including lower costs, flexibility, and additional features. Ooma's product lineup. Beyond basic VoIP, Ooma offers a range of products and services, including Ooma Office, designed for small businesses, providing advanced features like call forwarding, voicemail to email, and call recording. Ooma Telo, a home VoIP device that can replace traditional landline phones. Ooma Mobile, a mobile app that integrates with Ooma's home phone system. Ooma's revenue streams. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How does Ooma make money? Subscription fees. This is Ooma's primary revenue stream. Customers pay a monthly subscription fee to access Ooma's VoIP services. The fee typically includes a certain number of minutes of calling. Hardware sales. Ooma also generates revenue by selling hardware devices like the Ooma Telo. While the hardware itself might be sold at a relatively low profit margin, it serves as a gateway to the recurring subscription revenue. Additional features and services. Ooma offers a range of add-on features and services that customers can purchase, such as premium calling plans, for those who need more minutes or international calling. Advanced features, like call recording, call forwarding, and voicemail to email. Third-party integrations, partnering with other companies to offer additional services, such as CRM integration or call analytics. Ooma's target market. Understanding Ooma's target market is crucial to understanding its business model. Small businesses. Ooma's Office product is specifically designed for small businesses, offering features that can improve their productivity and communication. Residential customers. Ooma's Telo and mobile products are aimed at residential customers looking for a more affordable and flexible alternative to traditional landline phones. Cost-conscious consumers. Ooma's pricing model is generally more affordable than traditional landline phones, making it attractive to cost-conscious consumers. Ooma's competitive landscape. Ooma operates in a competitive market with several major players, including traditional phone companies. While Ooma offers a more affordable alternative, traditional phone companies still have a significant market share. Other VoIP providers. There are numerous other VoIP providers, both large and small, offering similar services to Ooma. Mobile carriers. Many mobile carriers now offer VoIP services as part of their plans, increasing competition. To maintain its competitive edge, Ooma must continue to innovate and offer unique features and benefits to its customers. So there you have it. Ooma primarily generates revenue through subscription fees, hardware sales, and additional features and services. By understanding its target market and competitive landscape, Ooma has been able to carve out a niche in the VoIP market. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related content.